Hello and welcome to the course of Web Technology. I am Rupsha Sen, your guide and lecturer for this particular course. In the previous lecture, we have learned so far the ing tag with src, the source attribute, and alt, alternative attribute, the title attribute, and the width and height attribute. For this lecture, we will learn the attributes called href attribute and the style attribute. The href attribute, the hypertext reference attribute, is used to specify a link to any address. This attribute is used along with a tag, the anchor tag. On clicking on the text, we will be redirected to that particular link. By default, the link gets opened in the same tag, but by using the target attribute and setting its value to understroke blank, we will be redirected to another tab or another window based on the browser's configuration. If we look at the example beside of the theory is, in the body tag, we have imported the anchor tag, the A tag, along with href hypertext reference attribute. We have imported a link. Click to open in the same tag, and and the same link. Click to open in a different tab. We will see the example how to execute it. Okay, so go to the Notepad++ editor, and we will create a new file. Press Ctrl N, and we will just copy the basic tag from the very first lecture we have had. Press Ctrl S from keyboard, and suppose day, let's say day 3. Okay, and just save it, and you will also give dot extension after the file name, and you can also do this as well. It will work same. Click on save, it will set, and in the body section we'll just create a along with href attribute, and for incorrect attribute it will show you like this in the black, but if we'll give the correct attribute, it will give you the red color. Okay, so in the href we will put some link from internet, and you can put different file name as well. You will see the both. First of all, we will put some internet link, like we will just copy that link. 1 second, just copy the link, copy it, just paste it instead of wasting time, and just close the A tag. This is not an empty tag, this is open with a angular bracket and closed with /. Okay, so click to open the link in the same tab like this, and will just copy it instead of wasting time and just paste it over here. Just break tag, it will give you a break line break, and click to open the link in another tab, another tab. After putting the link, just attribute is target equals to understroke blank for the, and save it. And for the same tab, if we click to open the link, the same tab, will not have to target it, but if you want to open this website in another tab, you have to target it understroke blank. Okay, and now we will just execute it. Just open with Google Chrome and you will see it will create the link in the same tab. I have internet connection in my server, in my system, so it will open like this, the IMCRP academic ERP module, the page. And if I click on the back arrow, it will give you the back section. And if I want to open that particular link in another tab like this will open in another tab, as you can see. If I close it, it will close it, but the same tab, there is not opened any another tab, but it has opened in the same tab. Just press on the back arrow, and this is the feature of this target understroke blank. Now I will create, or I will redirect the link to another page, suppose day2.html. so I have to put the file name and just day2.html page, and just return day2. Save it and just refresh it. If I click on day2, as you can see, the symbol is here, the mouse arrow key. Okay, if I click on day2, the particular day2.html file has been opened. Now if you save it in another, suppose you will create a folder day2, and you will just drag and what happened? Okay, simple, just cut it and paste it, and you just back key and refresh it. Click on day2, it will not open because the file was not found. For that, you have to put the folder name day2 /day2.html. Press Ctrl S and just click on day2, and the day2.html file will be opened with the image tag, with the title image tag. So This is the all about href hypertext reference attribute. Now we will go to style attribute. This particular style attribute is used to provide various cascading style sheets CSS effects to the HTML hypertext markup language elements, such as increasing font size, changing font family, coloring, etc. The program beside shows few name and values that go along the style attribute. As you can see in this particular example code, the heading tags has been styled in various kind of ways. So before wasting time, I will just copy the code because it's already been written and test it. So I'll just copy the code and just control A and control V and control S. Before going to the style attribute, I will describe you the heading tags. The heading tags starts from H1, that is the largest heading tag, and the smallest heading tag is H6. Okay, so it has been styled in a different kind of font families, font size, the colors, the alignment. Okay, and now we'll just execute it. Now as you can see, the first tag has been font family to a particular font style. The heading is H2 type. This is I think, let's see, the H3. Okay, and the next H2 is colored in some color like this. Okay, you will find this kind of color codes in internet as well. Okay, so this sky color, and the fourth heading has been centered alignment. Okay, so as you have seen, the hypertext reference attribute and the style attribute. Thank you so much for attending this lecture. We will discuss some new element of hypertext markup language in the next lecture. Thank you.